In this video, I'll show you how to animate 2D objects inside DaVinci Resolve using Fusion. First, head over to the Fusion page. Hold Shift and Space to bring up the Select Tool menu. Type in Image Plane 3D and add it to your node tree. Then press Shift and Space again, search for Transform 3D and add that as well. Next, click the small yellow square output dot on the Transform 3D node to make it active. Go over to the inspector and enable keyframes for the X, Y, and Z axis. Then move the playhead forward in the timeline a few seconds and adjust the object again to define the end position. Resolve will automatically create the animation between those 2 points. To render the animation, hold Shift and Space, search for Renderer 3D, and add it to the node tree. Finally, connect the output of the Renderer 3D node to the Media Out node. And that's it. You've now animated a 2D object in Fusion using keyframes.